Ouster LiDARs usually send data over UDP. Let's create a UDP socket component and configure the listen port in the local port property. We now register the Ouster package and create an Ouster LiDAR component. The component needs calibration information provided by Ouster to work. We copy the entire contents of the calibration file and paste it into the component's calibration property. We can now add visualization components. The 3D viewer is able to display, among other object types, colored point clouds. The image viewer will display the video in a dedicated window. Let's connect all the components. Finally, we can run our application. With our mouse, we can navigate, zoom in, zoom out and modify the 3D viewer point of view. That's it. Now you know how to acquire data from Ouster LiDAR sensors in just 1 minute. Easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching.